In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install the toolbar for both Internet Explorer and Firefox. We'll also be showing you a lot of the features and functions that are built into the toolbar and how to use them. But let's start with installing the toolbar for Internet Explorer. Click on the tab Download from your Invite5 site. Then scroll down the page till you see the toolbar and browser button icons. Click here to download the toolbar. Then click Run. Then click Run again. Install. And then once it's finished installing, it'll say Complete right here. Then click Close. Then the Invite5 window will open up again, and you notice your toolbar is now installed. If for whatever reason you notice that the toolbar is not showing up, just right-click right here on the browser bar and scroll down till you see the i5 toolbar and check it. Click Enable, and now your toolbar is showing at the top of your screen. The next thing you want to do is sign into your toolbar, so when you do click on the Ads button here, you'll get paid for the ads that you view. So click Sign In, and once you've added your email and password, then check this box so that you don't have to keep signing into your toolbar every time you open up the browser. Then click Sign In. Once you've logged into the toolbar, now it's activated, and when you click on the Ads button right here, the ad window will pull up on the left-hand side, and when you click on the ads and view them, you get paid. To uninstall the toolbar, you simply click this arrow here and click Uninstall, and now the toolbar is uninstalled. Now, we're going to show you how to install the toolbar for Firefox. Click on the Downloads tab, scroll down till you see Toolbar and Browser button icons. Click here to download the toolbar. Then click Allow, and then click Install Now. Now it's going to ask you to restart your browser. Now you can see your toolbar is installed. If for whatever reason the toolbar doesn't show up on your browser, go to Tools and then click Add-ons, and make sure right where it says Toolbar as one of the add-ons, click Enable. It'll ask you to restart your browser, and now your toolbar will show. Remember, after you install the toolbar for both Internet Explorer and Firefox, it's important that you sign in and check that box so you don't have to keep signing in every time you open the browser. In this video, we're going to talk about the features and functions of the toolbar. The first thing you need to do is log into the toolbar. So you click Sign In, enter your login information when you signed up. Once you enter that information, be sure to check that box so that you're automatically logged in. Click Sign In. Once logged in, now you'll see more features and functions that are built into the toolbar. The first thing we're going to cover is about the settings of the toolbar. When you click on this down arrow right here, it'll open up a settings window. This first option, Auto Sign In, is to make it so that when you open up your browser, if you didn't check that little box on the sign in page, this will make it so that you're automatically signed in every time you open up a new browser. The Auto View Ads makes it so that instead of having to click on the Ads button right here, you'll automatically view the ads every time you open up your browser. It saves you a step if you'd like. Clear Search History. This is a search engine feature right here, and every time you do a search, it'll store whatever it was, the keyword or phrase that you used in this search history. And by clicking this feature right here, it'll clear that history. Toolbar Options. Now, these options right here will make it so that you can add or remove these features from your toolbar. So for example, if I uncheck all these, click Apply, you notice that they disappear from the side over here. These two features will always remain available as long as you're logged into the toolbar. But if I want to add them back or just leave one undone, I click Apply and the appropriate fields will show. Privacy. This will take you to the Terms of Service, Privacy Policy, the End User Legal Agreement, and also the Anti-Spam Policy. The Help option takes you to the Features page where you can see the support video tutorials as well as the list of information about the different functions, features, and the way this program is set up to operate. And if you want to uninstall the toolbar, it takes seconds and easy to do by simply clicking the uninstall link right here. To view ads, simply click on the ads button right here. When you do, ads will be displayed on the left-hand side of your browser. To close it, simply click on that X. This feature right here is a search feature. So let's say you want to do a search on the internet for information about any particular thing. Once you add the item that you want to search for, you can come over here and select your favorite search engine that you'd like to use to do the search. Once you've selected it, and it'll go to your search page. Make money. This icon will show you in real time how much you've made by interacting with ads. And when you share the opportunity with other people who also click on ads, it'll also show you a cumulative how much money you've made from your activities as well as the team that you're sharing this with. If you click on the icon right here, it'll actually take you directly to your dashboard and your accounts page to show you how much you've made and the details pertaining to your money. The Share tool is a great way for you to share this program with other people. When you click on it, it'll open up a little window and it'll give you a number of options for you to be able to access places that you might have created some contacts or friends or a list of people that you'd like to share this with. For example, if I want to send a message to everybody in any of my web-based email clients, like Hotmail for example, I would click on it. It'll take me to the page where I log into my account, and then it'll automatically embed the i5 link into your message, and you type in whatever you want and click send, and it'll send a message out to everybody that you have in your address book in your email clients. Really simple, fast, fun, and easy to use. There's also a lot more options of different programs out there that you might be involved in and have built up a address book of people that you'd like to share it with. Again, it makes it fast, easy, and it's all done in a matter of minutes. The ads button makes it so that you can add any customized icons to your toolbar that you want. For example, when I click the ads button, here I click add item, and now I type in whatever I want to call this icon. Let's see, which would represent 10-cent ads. Now I can select the icon image that I want to use from the full list of icons that are in the system. I'll select that one. Then I add the link or the URL that I want this icon to go to when I click. And then when I'm finished, I click OK. And then click OK again. And now my icon appears on the browser. When I click on it, the website opens up. So it's a great feature. You can add as many as you want, or if you want to remove them, you simply scroll down and click delete button. It's that simple. The Login Manager tool is a great option for making it so that you can automatically log into different accounts you might have on the internet without having to add your user ID and password. For example, when I go to log into a site, notice what happens. I add my login information, click the login button, and a window pops up asking me if I want to save the information that I used to log in. I click yes. And then I'll label that login so I know which one it is next time I want to log in. So I'll call this one i5 Marketing and click OK. And I'm logged in. Now, if I want to go back to the site, I go to my Login Manager, click on it, go to i5 Marketing, and now I'm automatically logged in to my site. The email checker is a great tool for letting you know how many emails you got, and you can check randomly and set it up to automatically check to see how many emails you have. Setup process is fairly simple. You click on the little arrow right here, then click Email Checker Options, and fill in the information here. First, add in the name of the account that you want to check, then select if it's a regular POP account or a secured POP account, meaning you need a password. And some of these features down here, you're going to have to contact your local ISP to find out what they are. So in this instance, the account that I'm going to check, you have to have a password in order to access it. The refresh period means how often do you want this program to go out and check to see if you have mails. So I'm going to set mine up at 1. So every minute it'll go out to see if I have any new mail and then tell me how many mails I have available. Now I'm going to put in the mail server, which is your POP account URL that you use. Then I'll add the login and password to my account. Once you're finished adding the information, you click Apply and then click OK. Then to activate it, all I have to do is click on this icon and it'll go check to see if there's any emails available. And here it shows you 2 new messages are available. So it's a great tool if you'd like to know how many emails you have that are waiting in your account and keep you monitored so you can stay on top of them if you'd like to.